I'm just going to be brief. I expect that all of everything that you testified to is the truth. You're not going to fudge anything.
Yes, it's going to be the truth.
Okay, great. You just said that it was disorderly for me to allegedly kick cones. Did you ever cite me for that?
I did not cite you.
Have you cited me for anything?
No.
No, okay. If you did cite me for anything, there would be a police log and a police record?
If I cited you, yes, there would.
Okay. All right, so your role is, you're employed by the Whitefield Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are a sworn law enforcement officer of that department?
Yes, sir.
And you're assigned to the school as an SRO?
Yes, sir.
And does that assignment, that doesn't change your status as a police officer?
No, it does not.
Okay. And your salary is paid through the police department, it's not paid through the school?
It's dual. So the police department pays for my benefits, and the school generously pays for my salary.
Okay. And your law enforcement authority comes from your position as a law enforcement officer?
What was the question? I'm sorry.
Your authority comes from your position as a law enforcement officer?
Yes.
Okay, good. And in these capacities, you were acting in your capacity as a law enforcement officer, a police officer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Were you involved in serving the no trespass order?
I was.
You were, okay. And your involvement was to transfer to Littleton PD to have it served on me?
Yes.
Okay. And you testified earlier, but I want to clarify. You participated in the discussions that led to that order?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And the decision to issue the no trespass order, that was part of a group decision?
Yes, it was.
All right. In fact, there is a CAD record that indicates that it was decided as a team?
Do you have the record?
Yeah, if you look in the white binder on Exhibit 6, the tab will be on your right.
Okay, thank you.
And the exhibit will be on your left. It should be. This is, it was received from Friedman, Feeney, and Getman, but I think it's the last page.
On 6?
So, yeah, or the second to last page.
Last page.
In the lower right-hand corner where it says disposition note.
I'm going to peek over there on theirs. They might have a better copy.
Well, they don't. Oh,
Well, it's
maybe they do.
from you, so if
Okay,
it's a
you do,
bad
okay.
copy, it's from you.
Yeah, I remember writing this. It already looks familiar. Let me just make sure I said team decision. Yep, decided as his team. Correct.
Okay. And you were part of that team?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You didn't make an independent decision to issue the order on your own, correct?
No.
You had other participants.
Correct.
And you didn't conduct an independent investigation before that order was issued?
I did.
You did?
Yes.
Okay. And is that what's in this log?
Yeah.
There's other statements?
You mean in the law? Police law?
In your police log?
No,
As
there's no
part
other
of your,
statements.
as part of your investigation?
No.
There's nothing else?
Nope.
Okay. Interesting. Okay. You didn't conduct a threat assessment before issuing the order?
Why would I do that?
I don't know. I'm just asking you if you did.
What's a threat assessment?
Okay. So no.
What's a threat assessment?
If you don't know, you can just say I don't know. I don't know if I conducted a threat assessment.
Again, I don't know what that is.
I think if you conducted one, you might know. You didn't do like a mental health evaluation on me?
I'm not going to answer that.
Okay. You mentioned a protective order. There was, you said you have to go to a court to get a protective order, but a no trespass order, you don't need to do that, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, so it's easier to get a no trespass order than to get permission from a judge?
What do you mean by easier?
to go through the process of asking a judge to issue a protective order. When you don't need that, you can just sign a piece
If
of.
you think that's easier, I mean, it's, I'm not gonna answer that. It has nothing to do
Okay.
with.
Are you aware of me moving any traffic cones after you asked me not to?
No, I'm not
No.
aware of anything like that.
All right. Prior to this order being issued, you didn't contact me to obtain my account of any of these intimidation or any of these issues, did you?
I did?
You did.
Yeah.
And would that be reflected in any records or documents that you have in your police log?
I believe I did.
Okay. I had made a request, and all I got were these 2 pages.
Oh, okay.
So if you look again on tab 6, is that the entirety, those 2 pages, pages 5 and 6? Is that the entirety of your investigation?
I'm not sure. I remember this. I remember the call. Again, it was a while ago, so I'm not too sure. I have to dig through my
Okay.
RMS system.
Yeah, if I told you that I made a right to know request for those documents and that Attorney Friedman provided this and certified its completion,
What the Whitefield Police Department reveals in a right to know
I would ask
request
Attorney
is
Garrow
not-
to make the objections and not the hearing officer.
I'm
Do you have
just,
any objections?
Finish your question.
Yeah. If Attorney Friedman responded to my request for information and said that the right to know request was complete, would you have any reason to believe that it wasn't complete? That there would be a document missing?
I'm just going to object because he hasn't seen the response, he doesn't know what the request is, I think it's outside of his area.
Well, the response is in tab 6. Would you have,
He hasn't had a chance, he's looked at 2 pages in
there's only
tab
2
6.
pages. Yeah, but knowing your personal report and investigation and maybe you recorded our phone conversation, is there a recording of our conversation?
The last thing I'll say about that is I did not record your phone conversation. However, because you asked me about police-related matters, specifically my own independent investigation, I would want my PD attorney present.
Okay. You certainly have that option,
Great.
tonight.
I'm gonna take that option.
Okay. You want to call your attorney?
no.
No,
Nope.
All right.
not gonna-
Okay. So your understanding of all of the events, that was based purely on staff statements, correct?
Yes.
Were there any parents that provided statements?
Not to my recollection.
Were there any students that provided statements?
Not to my recollection.
Did I provide a statement?
You did.
I did. Where's my statement?
Again, you're asking me about my own independent investigation. I'm not gonna answer that.
Oh, okay. So I made a statement, but it's
You can
not.
refer to Chief Hodgson of the Whitefield Police Department.
Okay, so you're referring to my complaint.
You could refer to Chief Hodgson of the Whitefield Police Department.
Okay, so you just don't want to answer that.
Again, you're asking me
That's how
about
we
the
answer
police
that.
matter.
Oh,
This
okay.
is a school board meeting. It's not a, if
Well,
you wanna ask
it's-
police
it's-
matters. If
yeah,
you wanna
it's a hearing.
if you wanna ask police matter questions, I'm referring you to Chief Hodgson of the Whitefield Police
Is Chief
Department.
Hodgson here tonight?
It's 11 o'clock at night, sir.
Yeah, so he's not.
And he also said, talk to his attorney. The
Okay.
Whitefield.
Unfortunately, I can't do that. And per the procedures of ED 204, I have a right to examine your witnesses. So, I mean, I understand that you
There's
want to
the
limit.
witness.
I understand.
He's
I
answered your
understand.
question,
Yes.
it's just not the
Yeah,
answer
yeah.
you like.
I
Move
mean,
on.
he's not answered. the
Asked.
question.